Hi everyone, it's Usman, and today I'm going to record a tutorial on how you guys can deploy cloud pages on Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail is kind of an alternative offering from Amazon to compete with guys like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or UpCloud. You need to have an Amazon account to access light sale services, and once you are in your Amazon account dashboard, you can just click on services and click light sale. The reason for making this tutorial is that light sale have a generous free offering as well. Like you can get up to 3 months for free with their $10 plan, in which you get like 2 GB of RAM, 1 vCPU, and all of these things. And apart from that, I noticed that light sale servers are slightly slower compared to EC2 or DigitalOcean or Vultr. Well, anyways, still it's a good offering, and we will see that how we can deploy cloud pages on Lightsail. The first thing is that configuring SSH keys is really hard for some people. I noticed that our clients have really hard time understanding what are SSH keys and how they can generate and add those to their server. So in this tutorial, I will skip configuring SSH keys, and I will directly use the Lightsail console for deploying cloud pages. I will also assign a static IP to the Lightsail instance as well. So I am in the Lightsail dashboard, and sorry guys, I got a message from our client, and the video recording got interrupted. Anyways, inside Lightsail dashboard, you can change the region, like wherever you want to deploy your instance. I will go with the London, and you have to select the OS only, and in OS only you have to select Ubuntu 20.04. I will go with the $10 plan, and I will name it Cloud Pages. Okay, so create instance. Oh, I have reached the limit. I will select some other region like Singapore. Okay. Singapore OS is same, plan is same. Okay, let's create instance. Alright, so instance is getting created, and right now the instance have a dynamic IP. We will have to give it a static IP because once you shut down your Lightsail virtual machine, you will get a new IP and your sites will go down. So let's wait. Once it is created, we will see that how we can assign an static IP to this instance. It is still getting created. Alright, it's created. Go to networking, create a static IP, and I will name it cloud tutorial IP. I will create. Alright, this is the IP that is now assigned to our instance. There is one more thing that we need to do is we need to open some ports so that cloud pages can work properly. These two ports are already open. We need to add port 443, and then we need to add port uh, sorry, port, UDP port, they don't offer UDP, sorry, custom, not all UDP, or oh, we don't have to add all of them, we have to add UDP port 443 or at create, and we have to add one more port on which using which cloud pages communicate with your server. So that port is 2083, but make sure to only open to this specific IP only, so that no one else can access this port. Restricted to specific IP, add 2083, and it's an TCP port. All right, so once all of these things are done, we will have to access the console. I will copy the IP address first, and now I will go back to CloudPages dashboard, select the project, and we are already directly integrated with DigitalOcean. Soon we will add direct integration with Lightsail as well, but right now you will have to deploy manually using this button. Here you can select any server, either Lightspeed or Open Lightspeed. If you go with Lightspeed Enterprise, you need to purchase a license key from Lightspeed store and paste it here. Well, I will go with Open Lightspeed. I will name it tutorial, enter the IP address and click deploy. Oh, I hope it's not created twice, because I mistakenly created it twice. So I will delete one of them, and now copy this command, go to your SSH console, and run this command. Right now, as you can see here, that you are logged in as Ubuntu user. You need to be root to install CloudPages. So run sudo su dash, and you are now logged in as root. Now paste the command, and CloudPages installation has started. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes, and once it is done, we will come back. Alright guys, I paused the video while CloudPages was getting installed, and it's almost about to end. It's installing the MariaDB server, as you can see here, and once that is done, you will be able to deploy your WordPress sites, or WordPress or any other PHP based sites. Well, I have recorded another other tutorials, like how you can purchase a domain, and then use Cloudflare to manage your DNS and point the DNS towards your CloudPages server, so that you can easily deploy WordPress sites. So let's see, it's almost about to end, and once the installation is completed, we will see something like this on our dashboard. So it's in the final stages. All right, so CloudPages installation has completed, and you can see that your server is now ready to deploy WordPress sites that you can deploy from here. And I just wanted to add that you have with Lightsail, you have two firewalls. One of them is at AWS level, which you control from the networking tab, and one of them is at server level, which CloudPages installs for you. So you need to open all of these ports on AWS level as well. Otherwise, CloudPages will not be able to communicate with your server. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section. Thank you.